Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is the new Animal Company update with Gizmo SSO,
Yeah, welcome guys.
and
Oh my god. We're
I'm
gonna have to wait for Salty, but that's fine. We can just check around for a little bit.
yeah, we can just look
Okay,
around the
yo,
shop.
what is this? Yo, what is this, bro?
What is that thing? Yo, what the
What is this, bro? Yo,
hip
this
attachment?
is cool.
Can you put thing on your what the
Tiger!
pack?
Grr!
Ew. Bro.
And guys, I've been waiting for this update a little bit.
I don't even have a pickaxe because something got stolen.
Don't worry. I'll ask Salty to buy you one. Hey, I'm not going through the ground. Yo, I see the mines already, but
You do?
it's over there.
Don't.
Yeah.
I see it.
Let's go to. Oh wait, everyone's muted. Don't. Yo, wait! Don't actually shoot. Look, it doesn't say safe anymore.
Oh no.
Robo.
Oh no.
Oh goodness.
Oh no! Wait, where's the task board?
Yeah, where is it? Yo, yo, come here.
Oh my god, bro!
There's new items. Traffic, a hip shot. There it is again.
Windshield.
Whoa, sticky dynamite. Yo, we gotta buy it. How much is it? How much is the sticky dynamite?
Come on, we gotta go inside.
It's 3. God dang it. Oh wait, I just realized you can mine for research points.
Let's get in here.
Hold on, wait. Hold on, wait. Let's just start a new call with Salty, okay? We don't have to hear Lone Ranger.
Good idea.
Okay.
Bro said Gizmo probably got annoyed. Yeah, that's true. We got annoyed.
Bro, you just said a fake name.
I said Gizmo.
Did you?
Yeah, I said Gizmo.
No, I thought I heard something else. Apparently not.
I said, hey Gizmo. He said, I said, hey Gizmo. He said that you got annoyed. You probably got annoyed. But where is Salty?
Oh my god. He
can I
says
see?
his animal company is. Look at this white tiger! Ah! Oh shoot, that was a skeleton.
There's only skeleton gorilla for me here.
Yo, look at this mole!
I'm done. I'm waiting for the. I love snow tiger. They're cool.
Ah!
Ew.
Look at it!
Ew.
Rah! Hey, you shut up! You're gonna like that mole.
Fine. I'm gonna go look around for the task board.
I don't think there is one now.
I guess because you can mine for the
Because
points.
no, Robo. Yeah, you have to mine for them, and also you have to mine for. You can also mine for, I think, nuts too.
What is this freaking presentation? Like,
I think it's just about the update,
hip
and like how to
attachment.
like. You can put stuff on your hip now.
No.
Maybe it's only like the mining gear.
Due to mining Oh, you can buy hip attachments in the Nut Horizon.
Oh.
Yeah, you have to unlock it. It's like a skill, I think.
Oh yeah, it's over here. I literally just said something about that. That was the first thing I read in the skill tree when I saw something new.
Tactical right hip slot. Tactical left hip slot. Oh.
What is these? What is arm bone? What?
Golden pickaxe?
Yo, whoa. What the hell? An arm? Whoa! Yo, there's arrows in the game! I can be an archer in this game now?
Okay, yeah, what is taking this man forever?
Where can you buy the bow then? You can't have archery things without
Right
a
here.
bow.
Wait, no it isn't.
No, that's an arrow.
There's a crossbow.
There's no... Oh, wait, oh, it's crossbow. Oh, dang it.
This isn't Little Nightmares. Okay, I'm glad that the snow is gone because I can finally grab the ground without grabbing a snowball.
Salty's not even online.
Let's just look at the freaking update.
Okay.
I'm tired of
Wait,
this.
hold on. Let me just... If you don't know, hurry up.
What the? I guess he's gone. Oh, there you are. Reor.
He says he's gonna do it tomorrow. Oh my god, the phone ringing. Of course.
What's he said he's doing?
Nothing. He said he'll check it out tomorrow. Where are you?
Right here. I heard you.
It's hard to hear you when I got a phone ringing.
I heard you. Don't worry. Let's go.
Shut up, phone. Yeah. Come
Still
on.
gotta find a pickaxe.
Be careful. There's a spitter. Wait, hold on. Wait. How am I
It's
gonna
fine.
get you a pickaxe? Once I find research points, I'll buy you a pickaxe, bro.
I saw a lot of revolvers, buddy.
Shut up.
No.
They're mine. They're my precious.
So the cave is gone. Like the snowy by it. The thing that used to be here is gone now.
Well, yeah, it's probably in a different area now.
No way. Yes way.
Yo, wait. Come here.
What is this?
Yo, pick it up.
I did. Get in my backpack. Yo.
Yo, chill, bro. Yo, I like this, bro.
Mining the whip.
Mining away. Whoa, big Chongus.
Get in there.
What is that noise?
Fly.
Hey,
No, the red flag.
lava.
Ow, the red flag's here.
What?
There's a spider.
What is that thing? Up at the beginning.
I almost died. I'm at half health. It just ate me.
Okay, hold on.
There's diamonds
this
down
my
that
right-
pathway though.
I'm screaming. Where's the spider? Oh. Got it. Robo, come on.
I'm coming. Hurry. Hurry. Ew.
Yo,
Camera.
go.
Ah.
Sorry.
Ah.
I didn't mean to do that.
Lips.
I'm stuck.
Ah.
I got you. Tell me when your backpack gets full.
Amethyst.
It's not amethyst. I'm pretty sure it's research points.
Aren't research points basically amethyst?
I guess. Oh, I think that these ones are nuts, bro. No. Maybe.
That didn't give us a research point.
No, what are the purple ones do?
I guess they're.
Whoa!
What?
Don't go that way.
I'm not. I see why.
Move!
I'm stuck.
Move!
I was stuck.
Bro,
Ah!
why is the phone ringing again?
The camera out of that big crate. Really?
Bro, I can't kill him, bro.
Invincible mimic?
Go! Go!
There, finally.
Damn!
Fine.
God!
Crossbow.
I'm stuck. Come on, let's go.
Go other way. Let's go forward, actually.
Let's go this way.
You just killed me. You may have killed me, but that's alright.
Figure that out.
Yeah. Okay, well, I just died. Just shut up. Shut up. You didn't see anything. I was always right here, guys. I was always right there. See, guys? I did not die. Totally. Let's go this way. Weep.
Hold on. We might run out of battery.
I'm back.
Okay, I think we should get out and sell some things.
And that's a wall. Oh, shoot. Come in. And we should also get a flashlight, I feel like.
Gave me a one. But that's why I can. That's why I can hold the last. Or I don't know. It's just glitch or something. What the hell?
Weep.
Oh my! Damn! Why is he sitting there? Move.
I did. Here's my idea for the cave.
What? Oh. I don't know how to get research points, bro. Unless it is from here.
That's it?
No. What if the purple ones drop things that we have to sell that gives us research points?
Maybe. Maybe that. Yeah, it might be.
Because I didn't see any other purple ones, but also I don't think it gave us like anything to drop.
Oh yeah, this is so much better. There.
Where's the spider? Okay, it's over there. We have to try and find uranium.
Your anus? I'm just kidding.
No, my God, bro.
Ah!
Dude!
Amethyst! Down here!
You almost killed yourself, bro. What did that give us? Nothing? Hold on, I need a safe spot. I can't carry this shotgun around.
I'll look around.
Okay.
Where am I?
After this video, I'm gonna search up how to get research points.
There's a danger cave down here. It might have good resources.
Hold on.
I'll meet you down there. I'll look.
No, wait. Man, it's dark.
I'm coming.
No! Dark.
It's fine. No, it's not. There's a bottom down here.
No, I was saying there's I accidentally dropped the crystal.
Yeah, I know. I grabbed it for you.
Oh. It's hard to hear because you're so far down.
Yeah, there's a bottom down here. Look, you can just jump off.
Wow, so you could have risked
No, because I have
your life.
Ah!
It's over here. It's over here. Run!
Ah!
I tried not to. I told you to run.
I did. Fall. Yeah, fall. Look, this might have resources in here that you might want.
I almost killed myself, bro. Oh, hey.
Oh,
Does
my
it drop
God.
anything?
No. Let's try
What if we
every...
have to get the gold one to mine those ones?
Maybe. But how do we get research crystals if we can't? I think we just
Like that.
keep mining them, I guess.
Hey, bro. I just dropped something.
Okay, I'm coming. I don't think this is diamonds. I think this is silver.
Yeah, I'm not gonna mine those until we get a gold pickaxe. Wait, but how do we do that?
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. Like,
Do we gotta find one after killing the monster?
I'm not entirely sure.
I can't mine that one.
Oh.
Oh. Guess I can.
Yo, this is the big one. Never mind.
So guys, if you know the answer, you're gonna have to tell us in the comments, I guess, because I do not know. All I know is we need something, because we can't get those. Whoa. Oh, I think it's a sometimes you can get them. Yeah, it's a sometimes that you can get them. I just got money. Wait, can you... I almost killed you, bro. See, I just got nuts right now. There it is again.
Look at your research points. Have you gotten any?
No. Which means there must be really rare to get.
Let's go. Well, then we need a task board of that, if that's the case.
Robo, come back! I can't see crap!
I'm coming. I'm trying to find you. I found a really good. I found a good place.
That's nice.
Come here.
Oh,
Oh, you-
I just smacked you with the pickaxe.
I know to hurt.
What are you, spider?
It can touch us. That's why. Ow!
Ah! You just got smacked in the face.
In here, amethyst. Whoa! It's a new type. This is the research crystal.
We
That's
can't
it.
get to it.
I know that's a new type though. That has to be it.
Are you sure? That looks the same.
It's more purple. It's the exact purple as a research crystal. Oh. This is it. Did you get one?
No.
Oh, there's a crate now.
Well, bro. Go up. Okay, I think that's it for this video, guys.
Yeah, that's really the update. Well, thank you all for watching. Have a good
Yeah.
day. Bye.